Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it's transforming healthcare. Forget the villainous robots of sci-fi. This is a story of innovation and life-saving potential. Artificial intelligence has often been depicted as villain robots, ready to take over the world. But I'm here to tell you how AI can save lives and improve healthcare for millions of patients. With AI, the future of healthcare is getting brighter. Picture AI as your personalized healthcare assistant. Patients can now receive faster diagnoses, quicker treatments, and better outcomes. AI is helping us personalize care delivery, make hospitals more efficient, and improve access to healthcare by providing accurate decision-making tools. A computer model that knows, based on the experiences of thousands of patients, whether a treatment is likely to work and what works best for each individual based on their unique conditions. A patient needs complex heart surgery. AI analyzes his medical history, genetic makeup, and real-time health data to create a personalized treatment plan. This plan minimizes risks during surgery and ensures a faster recovery time. The integration of AI into medical imaging is ushering in a new era of innovation in healthcare. It's like having a supercharged engine under the hood. AI can analyze X-rays and MRIs with lightning speed and incredible thanks to new sensor and image processing techniques, along with advanced technologies like natural language processing, NLP, and federated learning for electronic health records, EHRs. AI is fast and super smart. It's better than humans at assessing critical scans, like echocardiograms for heart conditions. AI helps his cardiologist detect early signs of heart disease through an advanced echocardiogram. What's more, by early diagnosis and screening for cancer, AI can significantly increase the survival rates of cancer patients. AI models are helping streamline the diagnosis process by integrating data from blood tests, X-rays, and genetic information to provide accurate predictions of diagnosis, treatment options, and prognosis. A patient is at high risk of lung cancer due to her smoking history. AI analyzes her lung scans and detects a tiny tumor that would have gone unnoticed by traditional methods. Early and accurate diagnosis leads to successful treatment. AI's deep learning algorithms and convolutional neural networks have supercharged medical slide analysis. AI works hand in hand with pathologists to analyze tissue samples. This partnership speeds up the diagnosis of cancer and identifies specific mutations, guiding targeted therapies for patients. But wait, there's more. It's also helping to reduce the need for invasive procedures. Traditionally, procedures like biopsies can be uncomfortable and risky, but with AI-powered diagnosis, we can avoid those altogether. Let's talk about remote patient monitoring, RPM. AI is taking it to the next level by predicting complications and analyzing patient data in real time. With AI, hospitals can now offer hospital-at-home programs, thanks to AI, leading to improved outcomes and reduced costs. AI-driven robotics are transforming the healthcare workforce by assisting in surgical procedures. Imagine a scenario where a surgeon, located in a remote area, performs a life-saving surgery on a patient in a metropolitan hospital. Using robotic arms controlled by AI, the surgeon operates with precision, guided by real-time data and feedback from the robotic system. These robots improve dexterity, enabling precise surgeries. Another amazing thing about AI is its data processing power. AI's deep learning capabilities allow it to analyze vast amounts of data, providing evidence-based recommendations to both patients and medical professionals. In psychology, AI helps identify urgent cases more efficiently. It conducts preliminary screenings to recognize signs of distress, providing early intervention and support where needed. In emergencies like suicide prevention, AI offers immediate assistance, connecting individuals with appropriate resources and support networks. AI is transforming how patient information and medical history data are handled. We can automate tasks like scheduling appointments and managing records. Conversational AI tools serve as patient-facing medical assistants, helping with preliminary health questions and triaging cases. AI models can predict health trends, identify disease susceptibility, and tailor interventions to specific populations, giving us an unprecedented understanding of human health. So, will AI replace doctors in the future? AI won't replace physicians. AI will be the ultimate assistant, not a replacement. But to implement AI successfully in healthcare, new regulatory frameworks must be established through collaboration between AI developers, healthcare practitioners, policymakers, and patients. Otherwise, AI may turn into sci-fi villain. Thanks for joining us on this journey into AI's impact on future healthcare. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for upcoming videos.